On this great day, I wanted to share the food content, but I really don't know what to cook. So I went into the kitchen and I came up with this recipe. So join me as I share it with you all. So I had some sweet potato. I started by peeling the bark using the kitchen peeler. This makes it very fast and easy. So while I was peeling the potato, I noticed that there is this color change. So I decided to dip it into a bowl of water just to reduce the color change effect. After peeling the potato, I gave it a quick rinse, after which I cut them into smaller size. After cutting the potato, I proceeded further to give it one more final rinse before adding it into my pot. I also added little water to it just to be on the same level with the potato, then covered and allowed to cook. So while that was cooking, I had a very ripe plantain that I also thought of using as well. It's actually a twin plantain, or should I say a conjoined plantain if there is anything of such. I had to cut it into smaller size, after which I added it into the blender. I also added 2 tomatoes to it and scotch bonnet pepper as well for heat. I also added little water just to aid the blending process, then covered and allowed to blend properly. So back to my stovetop, I checked on the potato and I noticed it was slightly soft. I then proceeded further to add the plantain tomato blend, but I really don't know what the outcome of our meal will look at this moment. So moving further, I then stirred everything together. I also added little diced onion, seasoning powder, crayfish powder and some salt to taste. I then mixed everything together and allowed it to cook for 2 minutes. So after about 2 minutes, I added little vegetable oil to it, but you can choose to also use palm oil, just any healthy oil of your choice. I then mixed everything together and allowed to cook further. So after 2 more minutes, our meal is gradually coming together. But I actually wanted to have some extra crunch in it, so I added some diced carrots, green beans with little green bell pepper in it. Then mixed everything together and allowed the veggies to soften up a little bit. Finally, I also added some cabbage for more crunch, then mixed everything together before taking it off from the heat. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe and what name you think I should give to it. I must say the outcome of this meal was really lovely. I love the blend of taste I got. The blended plantain added a whole lot of sweetness to it. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.